Hey everyone, this is Greg from MachineMasters.com, and today we're going to jump into the basics of snare layering. Here are the two sounds I want to use: clap and a regular snare. Adjust the levels. Same as before, we don't want them clipping. Adjust the frequencies. Basically, we're carving out some space here. Oh, I didn't want to introduce that sound, but let's go ahead and use it anyway. Basically, I'm just finding the sweet spot. Lower that just a bit. Okay, just kind of adjust these on the grid a little bit, draw this back. All right, let's test this out. Not too bad. Let's draw this back a little more. Fade it a bit. And a little more. Go ahead and make a fade on this. Shorten it up. All right. And that's that. So, I mean, it's pretty much the same as I'm doing with the drum kick. And in fact, I could probably pitch the main snare down just a bit to make it gel even more, but you get the basic idea. So anyway, that's how I layer my snares. Please leave your comments below, and I'll see you next Sunday.